or we can say strictly decreasing function. Both are same only. Okay, decreasing function or strictly decreasing function, both are same. What is decreasing function? A function is called decreasing function. Decreasing function if we increase x values, then y value should decrease. Y value should decrease. Then function is called decreasing function. Okay, for example, y equal to e power minus x. So that function graph is what? Like that will come. This is y axis, this is x axis. So graph will come like that. So you can see that if you increase the x value, then y value is what? Decreasing. It is coming down. So this function is called decreasing function, or we can say strictly decreasing function. Okay. Next example is what? Y equal to minus x plus 3. So what is the graph of this one? This is x axis, this is y axis. So y equal to minus x plus 3 graph will come this one. So this is what? X equal to 3, and this is what? Y equal to 3. So this is strictly decreasing function. Okay.
Next we are discussing that how to find out whether a function is decreasing function or not. If graph is given, we can find out easily, but if graph is not given, then how to find out? That we are discussing now. For that we are taking one graph. So this graph we are taking. This graph you can say it is a strictly decreasing function graph. Okay. So by this graph I will explain that without graph how to find out. Okay. So on this graph, if you find out slope of tangent at any point, then what you will do? We will differentiate this one. So what we will do? dy by dx. So dy by dx is what? F dash x. Okay. So you can see here, this is what? X equal to alpha 1. This point is what? X equal to alpha 2. This point is x equal to alpha 3. This point is x equal to alpha 4. This point is x equal to alpha 5. At this point, if you find out slope of tangent, okay, at this point if you want to find out slope of tangent, so with respect to this one, what is x value? Alpha 1. So alpha 1 we have to put here. So what will come here? F dash alpha 1. So what is the slope of tangent at this point? F dash alpha 1. So if you draw tangent, this will come like that. So this will make suppose theta 1 angle with positive x-axis. Okay. So slope of tangent f dash alpha 1, what will come? Tan of theta 1. Similarly, at this point, if you find out slope of tangent, so with respect to this one, x value is what? Alpha 2. So x equal to alpha 2 if you put here, so what will come? F dash alpha 2. Okay. And if you draw tangent here, so this will come like that. So you can see here, this tangent is what? Parallel to x-axis. That means this tangent will make theta 2 angle, and theta 2 will be what? 0 degree. Okay, so this tangent will make 0 degree with positive x-axis because it is parallel to x-axis. So f dash alpha 2 is what? Tan of theta 2, and theta 2 is what? 0. So this will come what? 0. Similarly, at this point, if you find out slope, so x equal to alpha 3, if you put here, so what will come here? F dash alpha 3. And if you draw tangent, so it will come like that. So this will make theta 3 angle with positive x-axis. So f dash alpha 3 is what? Tan of theta 3. Similarly, at this point, if you want to find out tangent, slope of tangent what? X equal to alpha 4 you have to put here. So what will come? F dash alpha 4. Okay, and tangent will be like that will come. So this tangent is also parallel to x-axis. So what is the angle will come? 0 degree. So here we can say theta 4 should be what? 0 degree. Okay, so this is what? F dash alpha 4 is what? Tan of theta 4. So this will be 0 will come. Similarly at this point what will come? This one. So slope of tangent will be f dash alpha 5, and this will make theta 5 angle, theta 5. So what will come? Tan of theta 5. Okay, now in this one if you see that at this point angle is what? Theta 1 angle. At this point 0 degree, at this point theta 3, at this point 0, and at this point theta 5. If you check theta 1, theta 3, theta 5, that is obtuse, and theta 4 and theta 2 is what? 0. So on this curve, if I take any point and if I draw a tangent, that tangent will make either obtuse angle or 0 degree. So we can say that at any point on the curve, tangents are making obtuse angle or 0 degree with positive x-axis. Okay, positive x-axis. Then slope of tangent will be what? If it is making obtuse angle, then slope is negative. If it is making 0, so slope will be 0. So we can say that m should be what? Either less than or equal to 0. Okay, and what is slope? This one. So this is what? M. So we can say that dy by dx equal to f dash x should be what? Less than or equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0 we are getting at alpha 2 and alpha 4, and you can say alpha 2 and alpha 4 is a discrete point. So here we can say that f dash x equal to 0 at discrete point, same as increasing function. In increasing function also we discussed that for increasing function f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0, at discrete point. Then you can say that function is increasing function. Same thing here, decreasing also, f dash x should be what? Less than or equal to 0, at discrete point. Okay, so what is discrete point? Here I am explaining full. Okay, in details I am explaining. So at alpha 2 if you check, at alpha 2 f dash alpha 2 is what? 0. Okay, so x equal to alpha 2, f dash alpha 2 is what? 0. Okay, so discrete point is what? If I take any point right hand side of alpha 2, nearest point, neighborhood point we are taking. So we are taking x equal to what? Alpha 2 plus h. So this point is what? Right hand side of alpha 2, and h is what? Very small, very small. And if you find out slope, so what will come? F dash alpha 2 plus h. Okay, so for decreasing function, this value should come less than 0. Okay, it should not be 0, it should be always negative. Equal to 0 should not be there. Similarly, if I take any point on left hand side, so what will come? X equal to alpha 2 minus h, and here h is what? Very small. And here also if you find out slope, so what will come? F dash alpha 2 minus h. Okay, for decreasing function this must be negative. Okay, so for discrete point if you say at any point where f dash x is 0, okay, so x equal to a, f dash a will be 0, then neighborhood of a, slope should be what? Negative for decreasing function. So here at x equal to a plus h, f dash a plus h should be less than 0, and x equal to a minus h, f dash a minus h should be less than 0 for decreasing function. And here h is what? Very small, h is tending to 0. For increasing function, at x equal to a, f dash a should be what? 0, and at these points f dash a plus h and f dash a minus h, for increasing function it should be greater than 0. Okay, so for anywhere at x equal to a, if it is becoming 0, the neighborhood it should be what? Negative, slope should be negative for decreasing function. For increasing function, slope should be positive.